Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore custom shape step by step chevron flow. Create a new canvas in Photoshop. Select the custom shape tool from the shape picker. Choose a chevron or arrow black shape. Now draw one chevron pointing right. Change its fill color to primary color. Duplicate the chevron multiple times. Place duplicate side by side. Change each chevron color slightly lighter or darker. Select all chevrons. Align them horizontally. Then add steps, numbers inside each shape. Center number using move tool. Add short label below each chevron. Zoom out and check flow. Process looks easy to flow. Perfect for tutorials. Custom shape flow ready. Thanks for watching. Your product is ready.